Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a very important topic to discuss: adding an admin to your Facebook page. First, open Facebook app on your Android and log into your account. Now navigate to your Facebook homepage and click on the menu icon located at the top right corner of your homepage. Next, click on gear icon to access the settings page on the right-hand side of the menu. Once in settings and privacy, scroll down till you locate audience and visibility. In the very same option, locate and click page setup. Now you will come up to many options. You will have to head in page access, so click on the view box. You will headed in page access. Now to add admin, click on the add new. Now some guide messages regarding what task access means appears. Simply click next and enter the name of person you want to make admin to in the search bar. Here, for example, I am searching any random name to make him my page admin. And here it asks me the permission to provide him with access. Simply click on Give Access. And here it will ask for your profile password. Now enter your password, and then the invitation is successfully sent. And that's it. You've successfully added an admin to your Facebook page, making it easier to manage your page's content and engagement. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.